Hi everyone, this is Uday Pillai. I have 11 years of experience in SAP FICO, couple of implementations and supporting rollouts as well as upgradation. This year 2014, I was very curious about writing the certification exam, which SAP has provided with naming convention as Certified Application Associate and Certified Professional Associate. The first initially SAP basics, fundamentals, knowledge and proven skills in the area of SAP ERP financial accounting. This associate exam validates that the candidate has a good and overall understanding within this consultant profile and can implement this knowledge practically in projects under guidance of an experienced consultant. This certificate is ideal, although not mandatory prerequisite for the qualification to SAP certified professionals in financial accounting. It is recommended as an entry-level qualification to allow consultants to get acquainted within financial accounting projects. So I passed this exam on January 10th, so I was excited. I would like to see the consultants with certification. That was my main goal and achievement. So what are the FI? I will take example of, I do have all certification courses training, but I will go example as FICO, FI. So what areas I am going to cover in FI? Every certification in SAP had a code. That code is in FI, example C underscore Tiffin 52 underscore 66, SAP Certified Application Associate, Financial Accounting with ERP 6.0 Enhancement Package 6. In this financial accounting module, we have separate areas like general ledger accounting will get more than 12% marks questions, asset accounting more than 12%, accounts payable more than 12%, financial closing 8% to 12%, SAP financial basics 8% to 12%, reporting 8% to 12%, accounts receivable 8% to 12%. So I have made this certification exam easy. So there is a high rate of success, that is 99.3% pass rate history and money back guarantee if you fail in your exam. I had latest sample questions similar to the actual test. At the time of final preparation, I am going to provide a test engine that simulates real SAP exam environment. My goal is to achieve or to make you success in certification exam in FICO as well as other areas. My commitment to your success continues through your exam I'm going to provide 150 questions. These questions are similar to the one asked in the actual test. How should I know? Because I got my FICO certification in January 2014. I have with the latest version of the associate certification test, and I have 11 years of SAP FICO experience on different implementation of projects. Key features of FI and CO Associate Certification Exam. It is a computer-based and you have 3 hours to answer 80 questions. These questions are multiple choice types and there is no penalty for an incorrect answer. Some of the questions have more than one correct answer. You must get all the options correct for you to be awarded points. I will provide 150 questions and answers. I will guarantee to pass the exam. The official pass percentage is 65%, but this can vary. You will be told before writing the exam, begin the test. I guarantee once again 100% certification pass or else money back. This is my certification, SAP Global Certification, which I acquired from the SAP on January 10th. My certification ID 0011560471. Certified January 10th, 2014. A person who had successful in the exam is a quite happier because he would be going to successful in the interview. If you have a certification, the resume will have weightage. Client will pick your resume pretty soon and client assumes thinks that you have basic knowledge and you can configure, you can transform business requirements into SAP configuration and you can understand business process of company. And I'm also providing trainings for product costing, material ledger, COPA, New GL. My contact number is 512-965-2790. Email ID udaysap@yahoo.com. I am establishing my own company. It is under process. I will let you know pretty soon about my company.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, go ahead, Rajkumar.
Actually, I have some questions for you.
Okay.
What is the fee? How much we have to pay the fee? As you told that there are like 5 hours, right? The course is for 5 hours.
Yeah,
so
course.
You'll be making sure as to clear the exam. If not,
yes.
you'll give back the money. Is it true?
Yeah. So regarding the course fee, I will talk offline.
Okay.
And this 5 hours every day, I will provide with 20 or 25 questions every day practice.
Okay.
So within 5 days, 25 into 5, it would be 125 to 150 questions you are going to acquainted, out of which 80 questions I am going to show you will get it 100% or 90% of passing score. If not, I am going to refund your money. That's in what way or in what mode, whatever you want, I will transfer. Yeah.
Yes,
go ahead.
You mean to say that you will be providing like 30 questions per day for 5 days?
Yes, right? Yes, absolutely.
Okay, and you were saying that you will be covering FICO and other areas. What are the other areas? If you, in one
MM,
of your slide.
yeah, MM, SD, PP, PS, ABAP, NetWeaver, project systems, even
That
Microsoft.
does we require for FI certification those areas?
No. This is different areas. The person who are interested in
Okay. So
logistics, yeah.
apart from FICO certification, you are going to help us in other certifications too, is it?
Yes, absolutely. You are correct.
Okay. And for practicing, you told that we will be using some engine. What is that engine?
That is a test engine. It is going to similar how you are writing the exam in SAP examination center. Same similar way, we have tools in our training location. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Uday. I'm going to contact you. I'm interested to take the test.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Yep.
Bye.
Bye-bye.